Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, rain sensing wipers, LED headlights, rear wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.